Good morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite, and let me show you how to reset all the settings here. So at first enroll the list of all apps and reach settings. Then find and select General Management, go to Reset Then, and now all you have to do is to click on Reset All Settings. And if you truly want to reset all the settings on your tablet except security settings, language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps, just tap on Reset Settings. Now, to confirm, you have to draw your unlock pattern and confirm it one more time. Just remember that this operation cannot be undone, so you have to be 100% sure that you want to do it. And if you do, tap on Reset. And that's it. Now wait till your device is rebooted and you will be able to set it up from scratch. And that's it. As you can see now, you can just swipe to unlock, draw the unlock pattern, and use your device again. Also set it up from scratch as all the settings been reset. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.